consider getting, and you will be immersed with a wide range of revulsions and conundrum of guarantee and reimbursement modules combined with weighty loan fees that you will evade considering getting in government-issued types of money in a significant manner. In any case, presently you have an answer without a doubt. The digital resource world most certainly is here to moderate your stresses over acquiring and loaning. The decentralized money, DeFi, convention isn't simply planned on blockchain calculations to figure out information-related openness and marking obstacles yet in addition to address your frightening worries connected with acquiring and loaning. One such arrangement in a real sense is given by Aave, a DeFi stage that empowers individuals to exchange computerized resources as well as gives choices to all things considered, loan and get crypto. Like government-issued types of money, banks of digital currencies additionally get revenue, and borrowers pay revenue on digital forms of money also. The framework goes through no adjustment of system versus government-issued types of money in an unpretentious manner. As per Aave cost forecast, Aave has made the whole framework moderately simple and conceivable to an average person putting his cash-related stresses very still, or so they in a real sense thought. The Aave advantage. Computerized resource holders profit all benefits of getting and loaning since the local symbolic Aave gives a rebate to the individual dealing with the crypto on the stage. Like different monetary standards, Aave also fundamentally is represented by market opinions and dealers' effective money management designs. The symbolic advantages to financial backers are gigantic, and Aave fundamentally is focused on acquiring financial backers' trust with a plenty of highlights draw in every practical sense, an ever-increasing number of merchants too as time passes in a significant manner. Aave additionally offers fixed and variable loan fees and permits clients to exchange their preferred cash. Aave, the road ahead. What's to come truly is very splendid for Aave as the corporate has imagined a generous vision for Aave. With a plenty of developments prepared, the market bent has generally certain signs for Aave. Nonetheless, specialists especially have demonstrated long-haul crypto forecasts as exceptionally high that urge financial backers and merchants to feel free to put resources into this digital money in a light market with certainty. Disposing of the intricacies of the kind of decentralized biological system, Aave generally has been made with the sole goal of an especially multi-practical and multi-purpose benefit in varying backgrounds in a significant way. While certain specialists have a hopeful view on Aave cost, expressing the coin might beat its opponent digital forms of money, others essentially keep their assets away from plain view. In view of our gauges, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $7.379, in spite of prevalent thinking. With a 5-year venture, the income truly is supposed to be around plus 732.86%. Aave cost is set to record a sort of good pinnacle of $189.480, a base cost of $128.847 before the year's over 2022. Which is especially certain to scale. Aave cost is set to record a decent pinnacle of $189.480, a base cost of $128.847 before the year's over 2022, which it makes certain to scale. As indicated by our cost expectations, Aave cost could exchange around $907.8839224658 toward the finish of 2022 and $5,274.252 toward the finish of 2026. The value forecasts of different specialists basically don't dissuade the coin from beating the opponent coins using any and all means in a significant manner. Aave People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, in any case. Aave will outperform the assumptions for all cryptographic money financial backers who have generally found this stage incredibly intelligent and straightforward. The ongoing cost of Aave generally weights around $146.32 with a market capitalization of $1,952,817,652.22 with an exchanging volume of $305,349,990.34, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Aave price prediction 2022, which is genuinely critical. With partnerships and unions and local area subsidizing, the market glances back at Aave to perform, arriving at an essentially normal degree of $181.15, which is very hopeful however doubtlessly plausible. Aave Price Prediction 2023. With any progressions in government amazingly approaches and guidelines, Aave cost may too have its portion of dim days. Aave cost ought to cruise serenely at $249.73 or max do homage $224.67, making it not especially fall yet play predictable, which especially is genuinely huge. Aave Price Prediction 2024. Aave cost pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful development way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for partnerships. New partnerships would in every way that really matters, carry Aave convention to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded digital money, taking Aave cost around $241.23 in a significant manner. Aave Price Prediction 2025. Simultaneously, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for digital currencies that are opponents of Aave. The cost skyline sort of is somewhat splendid for Aave. It doesn't exclusively bet on decentralization, as opposed to prevalent thinking. As indicated by our cost expectations, Aave could exchange around the $335.63 mark toward the finish of 2025, or so they explicitly thought. Aave Price Prediction 2026. Having seen a monstrous appreciation somewhat recently that drove the cost of Aave. From the very start of 2026, Aave essentially has stamped enormous development. In the beginning of 2026, it could truly cross the $303.98 cost mark, however later confronted adjustment and explicitly keep on exchanging around $275.96, or so they thought. The token is acquiring prevalence among financial backers, and the Aave cost by and large is set to generally take off to a typical cost of $272.95 before the current year's over. Does Aave have a future? Aave is one cryptographic money that will have a splendid future. Riding the crypto wave, Aave will lead the crypto realm, thus for the purpose of installment, it would have a long rule. Is Aave basically better than Bitcoin? At the point when it truly comes to exchange speed and expenses, Aave is without a doubt kind of better compared to Bitcoin. The typical time taken for handling an exchange by Aave especially is not really 2.5 seconds, far in front of Bitcoin. Will Aave cost reach $1,000? As per some